Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off replies on Snapchat. If you want to send snaps to your friend but you want no one reply on that snap, so you can do this. How you will do it? Just open your Snapchat account and just go to your messenger and open chat that you want no one will reply. Let's suppose just open any chat, just click on name of your friend. When you click on this, at the top right side you can see there are three dots. Just click on these three dots and now you can see there's option called chat and notification settings. Just click on this. When you click on this, now you can see there option called delete chats. Just click on delete chats and just click it after viewing. Just click on after viewing. When you click on after viewing, now when you send snap to this friend, when this friend open snap and see the snaps and go back, once it go back, snap will be deleted and he cannot reply on that snap. So this is the way you can send snaps to your friends but no one will reply on that snap.